Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the font size on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings. You can open up the settings in the bottom left of the screen. And then we're going to go to the system display section. And then we're gonna go to custom font size. So here you have the custom size icon, so press on that. And here you can change the font size. So you can go from small to standard and all the way to the largest. So just select one of the 5 options. And then once you've done that, you can just press apply on the bottom and your options will be saved. So now you can exit out and all of the font in your book will be the font that you've selected. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.